Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling mobile data and tethering on your phone. This shares the internet. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular signal is strong. Next, confirm your TV can accept a wireless hotspot or a wired HDMI input because the connection path determines the method. Once done, plug any required adapters or set the streaming dongle on the HDMI port and power it. These first steps get the hardware ready so the connection can be made reliably. Now you create the hotspot with a secure WPA2 password so other devices cannot leach data. On Android or iPhone, open Personal Hotspot, name the SSID, and set a password. Make sure data sharing is enabled. Then, on the TV, go to Wi-Fi settings, scan, choose that SSID, and enter the password you just set. If using a wired adapter or casting device, connect the dongle and follow its pairing prompts instead, because TV models vary and pairing completes the link. To finish, verify connectivity by launching a browser or streaming app on the TV and play a short video. Start at 480p to confirm stability. If playback stalls, reduce quality, move the phone closer to the TV, and close background apps that consume bandwidth on your phone. If the TV won't connect, turn the hotspot off and on, restart both devices, and check your carrier allows tethering and that you haven't hit a data cap. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.